Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you a sophisticated method that I use in both real and OTC markets, and it is amazingly effective. Also, the method is accompanied by several different indicators which I rarely use in other methods, and today I will try to expand on these indicators, and for all those who are interested, the platform registration link will be in the video description. So the first thing I do is setting up 15-second candles, and also we have to set up a trading time for 1 minute. I start setting the indicators, and the first indicator is Vortex. Let's raise the period to 16. Let's leave colors, just taking lines, and save. I very rarely use the OsMA indicator, which is oscillator of moving average. I set the period of 9, 28, and 9. Let's choose the color yellow and keep it. The third indicator is well-known moving average. Let's raise the period to 55. Let's also install OSMA. Color is white. Thicken the line and save. The candles are set. Indicators are also set with corresponding periods. Currency pairs are also selected, and I will return to you with good moments. So, as I told you, I want to remind you that for all those who are interested, the platform registration link is in the description of the video. Today's method consists of two main points, but both points are quite different from each other. That's why today I have to see both moments and discuss them in detail. The first situation is now what you see on the platform when the trend is in a strong downtrend and a level is made. The white line of the moving average touches or crosses the level. This means that moving average gives a bearish signal, and it's high probability that the trend will continue to go up. Great! Here is another different point. It seems that these moments are similar to each other, but the difference is quite big, and this difference is given to me by the OsMA indicator, which is unknown to most of you. And at the same time, it's quite useful. OsMA's yellow candles were moving below in the previous trade. You can check previous trades as well. Now the stairs are made downwards. That is, the yellow candles of the OsMA indicator are already in a downward trend, and there is not fixed the level at this particular moment, but I still entered the trade. Great! I fixed the second convincing way. So I think I found a position as good as the moment of the first trade. We have exactly the same situation. The level is made again, and the white line of the moving average crosses the candle again. Here I already see that the trend is at the maximum level, and the candles will start moving down. I have missed the role of Vortex in the method, and it's one of the most important with all the indicators, because if the red and green lines of the Vortex indicator don't cross each other, I don't open any positions. All the positions I opened were where the Vortex lines crossed each other. I just didn't mention it. It's wonderful to win for the third time. So I looked for a good moment, but this particular moment has no defined downtrend or uptrend. The candles move just in the middle, but the indicators give us signal. That's why I decided to enter the trade here as well and opened the position with only $1,000. I personally pay attention to the OTC market here because it's not a real market, and I don't enter with whole funds and reserve money to enter again in case of loss. As you can see, the candles are not going as I think, and I hope the situation will change, but the time is too short and I probably lost. Unfortunately, the fourth position ended in a loss, and perhaps it was the fault that the currency pair did not have a specific trend, and I still risked this entry. Friends, there are many such cases. You should also consider the fact that as you can win $1,000 of dollars in a few minutes, you can also lose thousands of dollars in a few minutes. Therefore, before you decide to trade, carefully analyze all the risks and start trading that way. I hope you liked today's video, and please give it a like. Also subscribe to the channel. I wish you a successful trading day, and see you in the next video. Thank you.